Come on, dude. Just take it. What? Yeah. It won't cost you anything. Sorry, guys. I'm too sick to do this. Oh, come on. You gonna do it? Poof. Whoa! 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 Who are you? And how did you just come out of there? If you would just allow me to... Ow, you're stepping on my face. Whoops. Okay. So, here's the right choice. You don't take it. I won't take it if you'll get off my head. Okay. Hope you make the right choice. Goodbye. Wait, what? Don't be worried about him. He faints a lot. I admit that was weird, but still, come on, take it. I can't believe that someone just popped out of the air and you're like, come on, take the stinking froggy. I'm leaving you guys. No, wait. Hey, do you want to take it?